Hi guys, it is a beautiful summer day at Bugs in a Jar Farm. We are at the Blue Dragon tiny house, but the same is true for the Seahorse tiny house. So for the second time, I am going to make a video how to use the outhouses at Bugs in a Jar Farm. Okay, before I start, one more time, I want to let you know you are absolutely welcome to go down the hill and use the restroom in the community restroom where we have a flush toilet. But if you do not want to do that and you want to take advantage of these beautiful outhouses, listen very carefully, especially the ladies. It is the ladies who I am having a failure to communicate. Okay, so whether you are at Blue Dragon or Seahorse, here is how to use an outhouse at Bugs in a Jar Farm. When you open the door, there are, I guess there's 3 buckets altogether. There is an orange bucket with a toilet seat on the top of it. There is a blue Do It Right bucket, and there is an orange bucket full of sawdust. Not sure what color the bucket is. And Seahorse. These are the 2 important buckets. Now, there is a urinal for the guys in both of the outhouses, which you're welcome to use. As far as I know, no man has ever used a urinal at Bugs in a Jar Farm, as we have 14 acres of woods, which of course you ladies are welcome to use the woods. Just please do not leave little piles of paper if you use the woods. Okay, ladies, the orange bucket in both of the outhouses is for the ladies. The only thing that goes in these buckets are liquids. If it is not liquid, please do not put it in this bucket. This means after you use it with your liquids, I ask that you put the yellow paper into the pail. Do not put any paper in the orange bucket. The only thing in the orange bucket is liquids. There is also this bucket of sawdust. Absolutely do not put sawdust in the orange bucket. It makes an unbelievable mess. The sawdust is not for this bucket. The sawdust is for the Do It Right bucket. Okay, the Do It Right bucket is for the girls and the boys. So whether you are a girl or a boy, before you sit down on the Do It Right bucket, get rid of the liquids out of your body however you want to. Once you have done that, sit down on the Do It Right bucket. The way you do it right, sit on the bucket, and everything solid goes in the Do It Right bucket, including the paper. So everything, including the paper, goes into the blue Do It Right bucket. When you finish, you will take a scoop of sawdust and for odor control over your deposit. Then what you do is you snap off the lid, you pull out the bag, take the bag out of the bucket, tie it in a tight knot, and deposit it into the, I guess this is technically a diaper pail. Then you will find a roll of new bags. On one of these shelves, there will be a roll of new bags. Take the new bag, put it back in the bucket for the next person, put in a scoop of sawdust for the next person, take the lid and press it back on to the top of the bucket, and I will in the morning take this and deal with it. Okay, so that is how you use the outhouse. One more time, ladies, because I'm having the hardest time communicating this. Nothing goes in the orange bucket except liquids that come out of your body. No paper, no sawdust in that bucket. And if you can remember that, it will be a happy day for everybody. And we have all sorts of toilet papers and sprays and all that. And I do appreciate it. We will see you at Bugs in a Jar soon. Thank you. Goodbye.